garage.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me once again. I'm excited to announce our new partnership with 034 Motorsport.
Son of a...
Shout out to Sean. Appreciate you, man. Thanks for helping us out. Today we're going to be installing something that is low cost, but it makes a big impact. Transmission billet mount from 034. Should be a fast install, so we'll go ahead and do that. So this mount should reduce a lot of the play in the transmission that you feel when it shifts, especially on the 2-to-1 downshift. It's got that kind of spongy feel to it. It can be a little bit jerky. So this part should rectify that, increase the firmness and the directness of the shift points on all the other shifts when you're upshifting and downshifting. So looking forward to it. To install it, you need 10mm triple square, some silicone grease. We'll put that on the legs of the mount before we put that in. Some blue thread locker, got to put that on the end of the bolts, and a torque wrench. So we'll torque that down to 25 Newton meters or 18 point something foot-pounds, whatever that math works out to. So finally picked up a battery-powered ratchet. Yeah, Milwaukee Fuel. It's good stuff. Leave me a comment, let me know what your favorite power tool brand is. So, yeah, so we'll get the car up on ramps. Sorry it's very dirty. Didn't bother to wash it since I made that Canyon video because I'm lazy. We'll get the thing installed real quick. And then we'll take it for a test drive as usual and we'll see how it feels. Impressions, it feels good. It's smoother under medium acceleration. Now let's see how it is under the heavy acceleration. Yes. Yeah, it feels more punchy. Let's see how it is on downshifts. So much smoother on downshift. Wow. What a big difference. Who would have thought such a simple little piece could smooth it out so much? I really wish I would have done this sooner. Yeah, on upshifts and downshifts, it feels just, I could say smoother, like all the way around. Under the heaviest acceleration, it's more punchy. It's really close, like a Porsche PDK feel. And on the downshifts, yeah, it smoothed it out a lot. Before when it would downshift, you could almost feel like a jolt, like front and back, like a quick jolt front and back, and now it's just a solid downshift. All right, well, we're back in the garage. What a big difference that made. Super happy with such an inexpensive part making such a big difference. So if you're considering getting one for your car, you will not be disappointed. Now I know I've been teasing this for the last few videos, and my apologies for not getting it done yet, But we are making the switch over to the 85 finally. It's going to pick up a lot of horsepower, a lot of torque. We'll be doing some before and after draggy videos. You can see how that goes. So gas tank's empty. We'll take it to the gas station, fuel her up, switch over the tune, and we'll start rocking and rolling. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Speedcraft Garage.